We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2015 Aprilia Dorsoduro 750. These come with ABS. And we've got dual disc braking on the front. Stops on a dime. Really light motorcycle, extremely fine. It's got really nice grippy rider pegs. We have passenger pegs as well. Exhaust is tucked into the tail, so no low slung parts. Rear brake with ABS as well. And we also have some spools making it easy to get that rear off the ground. Miles are 2,330. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come ride this thing, it is super fun.